Ever wondered if there's a magic wand to make your payroll less of a headache and more of a, well, not a headache at all? Especially when you're juggling technicians, service calls, and all the moving parts of a bustling service business. If you're nodding your head, even just a little, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into something that can genuinely transform how you manage your team's compensation. Seamlessly syncing your payroll software with ServiceTitan. For years, the service industry has operated on a complex web of time cards, spreadsheets, and manual data entry. You've got technicians out in the field, clocking in and out, tracking their hours, and often filling out paper forms that then need to be painstakingly transferred into your payroll system. This isn't just inefficient. It's a breeding ground for errors, missed payments, and frustrated employees. Think about it. A single missed punch, a transposed number, or a forgotten overtime calculation can snowball into a compliance nightmare and a major hit to your bottom line. And let's be honest, who has the time to chase down every single discrepancy when you're trying to grow your business and keep your customers happy? That's where ServiceTitan comes in as a game changer. It's designed to be the central nervous system of your service business, managing everything from scheduling and dispatch to invoicing and customer management. But its power truly amplifies when it integrates with other essential tools, and payroll software is right at the top of that list. Imagine a world where your technician's time is automatically captured, their job-specific pay rates are applied, and all that data flows directly into your payroll system with minimal human intervention. That's not a dream. It's entirely achievable, and today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make it your reality. So, let's break down the how-to. The core of this integration relies on bridging the gap between ServiceTitan's robust data collection and your chosen payroll software's processing power. First things first, identify your payroll software's capabilities. Not all payroll software is created equal when it comes to integrations. Popular platforms like QuickBooks Payroll, ADP, Gusto, and Paychex often have established APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow for direct data exchange. Some may have native integrations built specifically for ServiceTitan, while others might require a more manual yet still streamlined approach. Before you do anything, check with your payroll provider. Ask them about their integration options with field service management software, specifically mentioning ServiceTitan. They might have existing connectors or recommended workflows. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your entire syncing strategy. Next up, leverage ServiceTitan's time tracking features. ServiceTitan is incredibly powerful for capturing time. Your technicians are already using it for job management, so naturally, their time in and out of jobs, their drive time, and even their break times can be accurately recorded. The key here is to ensure your technicians are diligently using the time tracking features within ServiceTitan. This means proper clock-ins and outs, and accurate job status updates. ServiceTitan allows for different pay types, hourly, commission, piece rate, and can even handle complex bonus structures. Make sure these are all configured correctly within ServiceTitan to reflect your company's compensation policies. The more precise the data going into ServiceTitan, the cleaner the data coming out for payroll. Now, for the actual syncing, there are typically a few ways this can happen. Option 1. Direct API integration, the Holy Grail. This is the most seamless and automated method. If your payroll software has a direct API integration with ServiceTitan, it means data flows automatically between the two systems. This often involves a one-time setup where you authorize the connection between your ServiceTitan account and your payroll software. Once connected, ServiceTitan can push time entries, employee details, and even job-specific pay rates directly into your payroll system's timesheets. This minimizes manual data entry to almost zero, drastically reduces errors, and saves a tremendous amount of time. You'll usually find this option in the Integrations or App Marketplace section of your ServiceTitan account. Follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll likely need to input your payroll software credentials to establish the secure connection. Option 2, CSV Export/Import, the reliable workhorse. If a direct API integration isn't available or isn't the best fit for your specific needs, the CSV, comma-separated values, export/import method is your next best friend. ServiceTitan allows you to export detailed time reports, payroll summaries, and even employee data into a CSV file. This file can then be easily imported into most payroll software. While it requires a few more clicks than a direct API, it's still incredibly efficient compared to manual data entry. ServiceTitan's reporting features are robust, allowing you to customize the data you export. You can select specific date ranges, technicians, and even types of pay. When exporting, pay close attention to the column headers in your ServiceTitan report and ensure they align with the import requirements of your payroll software. Sometimes, a little reordering or renaming of columns in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets might be necessary before importing. This is a small price to pay for the significant time savings. Option 3. Utilizing integration platforms. The connector. For more complex scenarios, or if you're using less common software, you might consider using an integration platform like Zapier, WorkAuto, or Make, formerly Integromat. These platforms act as middleware, connecting different applications that don't have native integrations. You can set up zaps or recipes that trigger actions based on events. For example, you could set up a zap that automatically sends new time entries from ServiceTitan to your payroll software when they are approved. While these platforms require a bit more technical know-how to set up, they offer immense flexibility and can automate a wide range of workflows beyond just payroll. Once you've chosen your method, the next critical step is testing and validation. Do not run a live payroll cycle without thoroughly testing your integration. Start with a small batch of data, perhaps a single technician's time for a day or a week. Run a mock payroll or use your payroll software's preview function to ensure that the data is being interpreted correctly. Check pay rates, overtime calculations, and any deductions. Compare the imported data with the original data in ServiceTitan. This meticulous testing phase will save you countless headaches down the line. It's much easier to fix an error in a test environment than after you've paid out your entire team incorrectly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.